So in this lecture, I will show how to display the related content and how to manage the related content about post. First, stop the server by clicking on Ctrl+C before continuing. So clear the screen, CLS, hit enter. In order to access the post from administration page, we need to modify admin.py. So admin.py is in testpro post, so admin.py. You can open it with any text editor. So as I did before, I will be using idle. Django examples, testpro post admin. Now we need to modify this file. So the first line is from django.contrib import admin. Next, from post.models import post. From post.models import post. Next, we need to register post. So type admin.site.register within the parentheses, enter post as argument. Admin.site.register within the parentheses, type post. Save and close this file. So the directory is for Django examples testpro. Type manage.py run server in order to run the server. Hit enter. Open the administration page. You see the post here. And please note S at the end here. If you have any problem to display the page like that, refresh it, or you can type this one and hit enter here. This is the end of the lecture. In the following lecture, I will show how to enter data to post and how to remove data as well. Thanks for watching.